Hey, what's going on everybody? Today I'm going to be working on Mk1 Volkswagen Tiguan. This body style was offered between the years of 2009 and 2018. Today I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter. This filter is what filters out, dirt, pollen, things like that. Things that come through the AC system that you actually breathe. So let's get started. Now, as far as tools that you'll need, you actually won't need any tools to perform this job. This job is very easy. Takes about 2 minutes and anybody can do it. The only thing you'll need is your cabin filter. Now there's two different styles. There's a charcoal filled filter and then there's a non-charcoal filter. The easiest way to figure out which one you need is just to call your dealership and give them your vehicle identification number, or otherwise known as the VIN number, and they'll tell you which one you need. First things first, it's going to be located underneath of the glove box. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove these two knurl nuts, and they're just finger tight. So lefty loosey. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove this foam panel. It's pretty easy, so I just, kind of find a spot that's hanging down a little bit, and, I just pull it down. And then take it out of the vehicle. Next thing is this little trap door right here. What you want to do is you want to grab this little tab right here and pull it to the right. And then just drop down. And then what you'll do is you'll just pull the filter out. Now if you'll notice, when I pulled it out, the angled portion right here is facing towards the outside of the vehicle, or the wheel well. And as you can see, this one calls for a charcoal filter. So I'll go ahead and replace that and put the charcoal one in. So I've got my new filter. I'll just go ahead and, feed it back up in there like the other one came out. And I'll just let it sit right there. And then I'll take my cover, and you can see these hooks right here. There's actually spots in the filter cut out, and you'll just put it up in there, go straight up, and then just push the door to the left and lock it in place. Go ahead and take your foam cover, and I like to stick the back in first, and then I just kind of feed it up over that lip and line everything up. And just kind of match it up with the AC air ducts right here. And then check the holes right here. Just make sure they're lining up. And then go ahead and take your knurl nuts and feed them back in. Righty-tighty. And that's it, you guys. Pretty easy. Please hit that subscribe button. I'll keep the videos coming. Like, share, let me know what you guys think. Appreciate your time, you guys. Peace.